Hi everyone, I am Emily Ortiz, and for today's video report presentation, I will be discussing the topic worker preference in case of bankruptcy under labor law, specifically Article 110 of the Labor Code of the Philippines. So, when an employer goes bankrupt or their business is being liquidated, many creditors line up to claim what the company owes them, like the government, banks, and suppliers. But the law makes sure that workers are protected first. So, according to Article 110, in the event of bankruptcy or liquidation, the employer's workers shall enjoy first preference when it comes to wages and other monetary claims. So this means workers' unpaid wages must be paid in full before any other creditors, such as governments, banks, or suppliers. So even if the company doesn't have enough resources to pay everyone, the law ensures that employees receive what is due to them first. So it means, in simple terms, workers come first before anyone else get paid. So to further explain the key points, here, as you can see in the inside of the circle, the first bullet says that workers' wages and monetary claims are given first priority. So this means hindi sila huling babayaran. So sila yung pinakaunang babayaran. So the second one is payment to workers comes before government, banks, or suppliers. So unahin ang sahod bago ang utang sa gobyerno, bangko, or supplier. So last one, the law protects employees financially, lalo na during crisis. So may kasiguraduhan na hindi sila mawawalan ng compensation. So for example, if a company closes because of bankruptcy and meron silang 500,000 pesos left in asset but owes 1 million pesos to suppliers and 300,000 pesos in unpaid worker salaries. So the 300,000 pesos must be given first to workers. Only after that, kung may natira pa, saka palang babayaran ng suppliers. So this shows how the law values workers' welfare, especially when they depend on their salary to survive daily. So to summarize, Article 110 of the Labor Code of the Philippines guarantees that workers are the highest priority in receiving unpaid wages and benefits if a company goes bankrupt or undergoes liquidation. So this law gives employees financial protection and ensure fairness during difficult times. And that concludes my video report presentation. Thank you for listening.